First, open QgIS. Make sure Browser and Layers panels are active. If not, you can turn it on by right-clicking on blank portion of menu bar. Now you can create a new connection by right-clicking on XYZ tiles located in Browser panel. Just put a suitable name for the connection. Here we are adding Google Hybrid XYZ tiles as our base map. Now copy and paste the XYZ tiles layer URL. You can find it on internet. We will share some on the description. But you will not need this if you use a plugin, which we will show you after a while. To open the base map, double-click on the connection created. The base map is added as a layer. Now you can easily zoom to your region of interest and view. Now let's remove the base map. Now we will see the easiest way to add base map in QgIS. We will use a plugin. Click on Plugins menu, then Manage and Install Plugins. In the search bar, type QMS. Now click on Quick Map Services and then Install Plugin. After installation, close the Plugins window. The Quick Map Services plugin will be available under Web menu. Click on Settings. Now click on More Services tab and then Get Contributed Pack. After successful download, close the dialog box. Now you can add any base map from Quick Map Services menu. Under Web menu, here you can add all commonly available base maps, such as Google Maps, Google Satellite, ESRI Maps, Bing Maps, OpenStreetMaps, Google Labels, and many more you can enjoy without having to copy-paste URL. Thanks for watching.